Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and become a socialite. Today's video is going to be part 2 of my Sephora sale haul. About half of my order had to be ordered online and it just came in. So if you haven't seen the first haul where I shopped in store, go ahead and click that link right there and check it out. For those who aren't aware, Sephora is currently having their annual sale that they have twice a year. You have until November the 6th to shop. You just have to at least be a beauty insider at this point. To become a Sephora beauty insider, all you have to do is sign up with your email. You do get a few perks and you get discounts along the way. With this sale, as an insider, you get 10% off. And if you're at VIB status, you receive 15% off during the sale. And if you're Rouge, you receive 20% off during the sale. For your added convenience, I'll put the link to sign up in the description box. I do want to thank Sephora and Magic Links for sponsoring today's video. And more than anything, I do want to thank you socialites for supporting me along the way. All of your kind words. That's really how I'm able to get opportunities like these. Every single thing that I mentioned today will be linked down below in the description box. So be sure to check that out. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So with the first haul, you guys, I hopped around to different stores in Houston, but I did have to place an order for probably like half of the items I wanted to get. So I have a couple boxes. We're going to start with that and then a couple more items that I picked up in store. First item is a product that's on my top 2 favorite products in every category video. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click that link right there. I share with you all my favorite products in Sephora, my top 2 rather. And this is the Huda Beauty Tan Tour Contour Cream. This is the best cream contour product in Sephora, in my opinion. And I had to re-up. Mine is completely empty. So this is what it looks like. I use the color 2 medium, and 2 medium is pretty deep, you guys. This works for a range of skin tones. Comment down below if you've tried this one. Next is a product that I'm super excited to try. I've heard amazing things about it, and this is the Vanilla Oud Gasm Intense 36 from Kayali. She came out with an oud collection. I'm not necessarily a fan of oud, but I did hear that with this one, the oud is sort of in the background. So let's see. Is that not the cutest? It's kind of powdery. It's vanillic. The oud is in the far background. It smells a little bit mysterious, but not like strong or masculine. I like it. It's a fresh touch to it as well. Next is a product that a lot of you have been recommending to me since it came out. I've never tried these. It's the Danessa Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Flushed Blush. Got it in the color Golden Hour. This is what it looks like. I love her packaging, and it is a straight up orange color. So feels really creamy. I think the blushes have the Upsolite technology in it as well. So it's not going to wear off. It's going to be long lasting. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Okay, I'm definitely going to have a look up using these products for you guys tomorrow because I can't wait. So next is the Fenty Parfum body cream. So this isn't like the Fenty body butters. This is something different. This is going to have the scent of the actual perfume. If any of you've tried it, it's definitely acquired taste. Won't be for everybody, but I absolutely love it. Wow, this is huge. Y'all, this is huge. My goodness. Beautiful. Sort of reminds you of like the Danessa. Okay, so it has a little scooper in here. You take this off. Oh, y'all. I love it. It smells like the fragrance, but even better. It smells a little better than the fragrance, and it's not as strong as the fragrance, but it's very fragrant. So it's gonna show up. It smells amazing. Y'all, this smells amazing. Let's see what the cream feels like. It's really thick, but super easy to blend in. Very moisturizing. Wow, this is a good cream. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. This exceeded my expectations. And next is a Clean Reserve set. Okay, so this is Clean Reserve Sparkling Sugar fragrance. So this is supposed to just be one of those clean girl fresh scents. I do have Clean Reserve skin, which I like. Very understated, but it's nice. You get a really good deal with this set. So you get a full size 1 ounce and you get like the travel spray as well. At this point, there's so many fragrances in the air. Let's see. It's fresh, clean. It smells like skin, but sweet. It's sweeter than Clean Reserve skin. It reminds you of Clean Reserve Skin, but sweeter. It's sort of a watery vibe, not aquatic, but watery, like light like that. Love this. I could see this being a scent for like the gym or just for like everyday wear. So the samples that I got with that order came with the Kayali Ray Clean Mascara. So that's cute. I could save this for traveling. Looks super black. Super black. I'll put it right here so we can test it out. And the next sample I got is the brightening serum, the Sunday Riley brightening serum, which is my favorite serum, you guys. I rave about this serum, so happy to get that. Okay, so next order. I've been wanting to try this for so long. This is something that's not sold in stores. This is the Tower 28 Beach Please Tinted Balm. It's a blush. I think you can use it for blush and lips, and I think the Danessa one you can use for blush and lips as well. It's an orange shade as well. I love orange blushes. So this one's, wait a minute. Oh, they're both in the color Golden Hour. This one, Tower 28's orange blush, is called Golden Hour as well. So let's swatch this one. It's creamy as well. It's a sheen to this one. So this is like a balm. So it's a completely different formula from the Danessa. Let's try this one over here. So that's the Danessa. As you can see, that one is matte and this one is balmy. So it leaves a slight sheen to the skin, which I'm not mad at. And the Danessa is more pigmented. Pigmented and matte, balmy and like medium coverage, but still pretty. Next is a product that I've been wanting for probably over a year. This is another one that's not in stores. It's the Positive Light Highlighter from Rare Beauty. Now the Rare Beauty highlights are in the actual stores in Sephora, but the shade Flaunt, which is the darkest golden color, is never in stores. Like, at least in Houston, you can't get this shade in stores. So I just never picked it up. Is this not the cutest? So the shade Flaunt, I think that is gorgeous. So let's try it out. Wow. It almost looks wet. Look how juicy and wet that looks. I'm so excited to do a look, y'all. Like, I can't wait. Next is another product that I've been wanting for a while. I don't know if you guys remember when I did a community post where I asked, do you guys use eyeshadow bases and which one do you use? So when I made that post months ago, I already knew I was going to get this, but the price point, I knew I was going to wait for the sale. So this is the Intensify Eyes Longwear Primer. It's an eyeshadow primer from Pat McGrath, and this is supposed to be like best of the best type primer. I wanted to use it today since I did color on my eyes, but we'll do it tomorrow. This is what it looks like. Super luxurious packaging. It feels like black glass, but it's probably like a hard plastic with the gold lettering. So it dries, let me just put it here. So blends in and it goes pretty much clear, easy to blend out. It doesn't leave any color and it leaves the skin looking like soft matte. It's not sticky, but it's not drying down. So I'm assuming because it doesn't dry down, it's gonna allow the product to stick to it. So we'll be trying this one out soon. And the last thing with this order is the Caudalie Hydrate and Restore Body Essentials, y'all. So I literally went through all 750 something sets on the Sephora website to sort of sift through and see what I could use. Skincare is something that I'm super stocked up, and I get so much skincare sent to me that I was like, unless it's like something I need to re-up on, I didn't want to just go crazy with the skincare. I got a little bit, but this is body care, and I absolutely love Caudalie. I've never had a bad experience with the brand, but with this set, you get the Oil Elixir Smooth and Glow oil, and then you get a body cream with it for $33. But because I love their skincare products, I definitely wanted to try out the body care. It's a 1.3 ounce body butter, and then you get a 1.6 ounce oil. So that's what it looks like. Feels pretty moisturizing, but I'll keep you guys posted on how I like it. Is that not cute and luxe? So it's in a pump form. Let's see. So it's not greasy. It's moisturizing, it leaves a bit of a shine, and it's not greasy. Once you blend it into your skin, it almost starts to feel like a lotion and an oil, almost like a lotion oil hybrid. Not crazy about the smell, but I'll keep y'all posted because I have a lot of different scents flying around in here. And then the samples I got with that order is the Commodity Milk Expressive, what is this? Fragrance, Commodity Milk Fragrance, y'all. This is like a beautiful ambery, slightly woodsy scent that's really nice. I talked about this last year. I originally got the bold and I returned it because the bold was way too overpowering with a sharp note. But when I went back to the store, I smelled expressive and I loved that one. Never got it, so I did get a sample with this order. This one's really nice scent. And then I also got a Dr. Jart Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. I've never tried Dr. Jart products, but I've heard good things, so this was the sample I picked out. Caudalie. So I think this is, I only got a few skincare products. This is one of them, the Caudalie set. It's actually an $85 value and it was $49 plus my 20% off. Y'all, this is one of the best deals at Sephora, period, right now. Like I said, Caudalie skincare it's just, their skincare is amazing. Comment down below if you like Caudalie products or if you've tried them. So it comes with the Beauty Elixir, a 3.3 ounce, which is a really nice size. This is one of those products you can just put on after skincare. You can put it on before and after your makeup. It's just like a lot of different uses out of this. So I'm excited to try that one out. And it also comes with a detox mask, Energetic detox mask, and this one is a 15 ml. And then it also comes with the Veno Perfect Radiance Serum, and this serum is supposed to be really good for dark spots. So this is a 10 ml serum. Great value with that set. So the next pickup order was just one product, y'all, and this was one that was on my wish list. So this is the Kaja Beauty Bento eyeshadow. It's like a little eyeshadow trio, I want to say. It comes with 3 shades, a brown, I think a peach, and a pink. That is beautiful. I don't think that the camera can pick it. Now, this is a beautiful pink glittery shade. It doesn't feel quite as bouncy as I would have thought, being that it's called Bouncy something, but it's a beautiful pink orangey golden reflex, but it's creamy. It's a creamy type product. Wow, that pigment is insane. Wow, I'm gonna have to do like a YouTube short with this with low lighting, you guys, because this is not giving it justice. That is beautiful. It has this sort of champagne reflex with white in there, like cream and champagne and a little pink. So this shade feels a little bit more bouncy textured. This one's like a medium tone brown that has soft glitter reflex in it. And this one feels like straight up powder. It doesn't feel bouncy at all, period. It just feels like a matte powder, but it's very pigmented. And the last pickup order, I got something that's highly raved about, which is the Dr. Dennis Gross Peel Pads. 30-day supply. It's supposed to be an everyday thing that helps with like congestion in the skin, acne. It helps to kind of brighten and tighten your skin as well, but really to get congestion out of your skin. And I do have a few breakouts right now, so I feel like it's the perfect time for me to test it out. 2-step process of applying pads to your skin. So I'll keep you guys updated on how this works. Comment down below if you've tried these and how do they work for you. I've heard a lot of good things on YouTube, but the reviews were kind of mixed on the website, but I just wanted to try them out. And the last item in the haul is what I've been raving about, the Sephora collection plumping glosses. I picked up 2 during my first haul, but I definitely wanted to get another color because they are beautiful, okay? It gives you a high shine. The quality is amazing. I told you guys before, it reminds me of the old Dior lip gloss formula of their stellar glosses. So this one's in the shade 7, which is a pink shade. It's a little tiny applicator, but if you guys can see that. Y'all, I cannot wait to do my makeup tomorrow. I'm gonna have the video up tomorrow for you guys because I feel like a kid in a candy store right now. Keep in mind you still have until Monday until the sale is over with, so your last minute items, go ahead and start adding to cart. This was so much fun. I'm super grateful that I get to participate in these sales in this capacity because I'm somebody that truly loves beauty and truly loves makeup. If I was to name my top 3 favorite products that I got within both hauls, I would it's so many, y'all. I would probably say Ginger Biscuit from Jo Malone, the fragrance. That's probably one of the top 3. The Fenty body cream for sure. This Fenty body cream is top tier. I love it. And then the Sephora glosses. But that's what I'm saying right now since I haven't tried these products that we hauled today. But yeah, that's what I would say tentatively. So comment down below. Let me know what are your top top 2 favorite products that you picked up from the sale. Every single thing that I use today will be linked down below in the description box. I would love for you guys to shop through those links because they are affiliate links. I really appreciate you guys' support, watching my videos, clicking on the links, y'all. It just means everything, and it really creates some opportunities for your girl. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.